Before buying Document 360, there are a few important things you should know. While it's a great knowledge base and help desk software option, it might not be the best fit for every business. In this video, we'll cover 12 key points to help you decide if Document 360 is the right solution, especially when compared to other platforms on the market. First thing, Document 360 offers a user-friendly interface, which many users find intuitive. It's great for creating and managing knowledge bases without needing a lot of technical expertise. However, compared to competitors like Zendesk, which has more advanced features, Document 360 might feel a bit basic, especially if you need features beyond just documentation. Next thing, Document 360 provides a collaborative editor. This feature allows teams to work together on articles in real time. While this is a great addition, keep in mind that platforms like Freshdesk offer similar features along with stronger integration options with customer support channels, which might be better if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The third thing is its search functionality. Document 360 uses AI-powered search to help users quickly find relevant articles, which is important for a seamless customer support experience. But if you're comparing it to something like Help Scout, you might find the search results on Document 360 to be less refined in comparison, especially for more complex queries. Now, let's talk about pricing. Document 360 offers various pricing tiers depending on the number of users and features you need. It can be an affordable choice for small to medium-sized businesses. However, for larger businesses, or if you require advanced features, the cost can rise significantly, putting it in competition with pricier solutions like Knowledge Owl or Confluence. The fifth thing, integrations. Document 360 integrates with popular apps like Slack, Zapier, and Google Analytics, but its third-party integrations might not be as extensive as those offered by competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, especially when it comes to CRM or email marketing integrations. Sixth thing, it's cloud-based. This is an obvious plus for ease of access and collaboration. However, if you prefer a self-hosted solution for greater control over data or customizations, Document 360 may not be the best option, especially compared to platforms like Confluence. Next, Document 360 offers content versioning and a robust article approval workflow. This is a great way to ensure that only finalized content gets published. But if you need more in-depth approval workflows with multiple steps, platforms like Freshdesk might offer a better workflow for customer-facing documents. The eighth thing is its customization options. While Document 360 allows you to design your knowledge base with custom branding, if you're looking for highly customizable templates, there are other platforms like HelpJuice that offer more flexibility in this area. Another important thing is security. Document 360 offers SSL encryption and allows you to control who can access certain content, which is great for protecting sensitive information. But compared to more advanced platforms like Confluence, it might lack some of the finer security features, such as single sign-on, SSO, or enhanced encryption options. The 10th thing, performance and speed. Document 360 is designed to be fast and responsive. Still, in a side-by-side comparison with tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk, some users report that Document 360 can lag a bit when dealing with larger knowledge bases or a higher volume of traffic. The 11th thing is customer support. Document 360 offers good customer support with 24/7 access to live chat, email, and phone support. While it's generally reliable, some users have reported faster response times and more in-depth support from competitors like Zendesk. Finally, the 12th thing, scalability. Document 360 is a great option for growing teams and businesses, especially with its ability to handle large knowledge bases and the option to add users as you expand. However, when scaling, you might encounter limitations in advanced features when compared to other robust platforms like Confluence or Zendesk. So, is Document 360 a good option? Yes, it's an excellent choice if you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use knowledge-based platform with basic help desk features. But if you're after a more feature-rich and scalable solution with more integrations, then you might want to check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.